So one little problem that I have a one good thing solution for today is change, loose change that you come home with in your pocket. You put it on the table, it tends to move around. I don't feel like I'm taking care of my money. A lot of people will just take it, throw it in a cup, but again, you don't really know what's in there. I found that these really simple ice cream cups, which I think are beautiful mid-century modern pieces, are not only beautiful, but they're functional and useful. I take out my nickels and put them in the nickels, my pennies, my dimes. It just takes me a second. It's sort of satisfying. And if you just do that every day, you get this nice little organized pile of all the spare change that comes in over the weeks. There's a very satisfying feeling to taking care of this little niggling problem in this way.